back to the Style Chase. Today we're going to do at-home spa treatments. And if you're not a subscriber, now would be the perfect time to tap that subscribe button. And also I suggest you tap the bell to the right of the subscribe button, because by doing so, you're notified every time I post a new video. And you don't want to miss some of these videos, especially these at-home spa treatment videos, because like this one, today we are going to talk about skincare. And these products that we're going to try today are made by Dēpology. The first one is Deep Care Microneedling Patches. They are infused with a serum that's going to smooth out those wrinkles underneath our eyes. And I love the idea of them being packaged individually because it keeps them fresh, it keeps them sanitary, and you can travel with these. This is great. And then we're going to try Deepology's Derma Face Sculpting Mask. Now the Derma Face Sculpting Mask is used to firm the jawline and under the chin. And who does not want that? Well, this is going to give us this at-home treatment for that problem area. And these are both Dēpology products. Let's begin with Dēpology's Deep Care Microneedle Patches. Now that sounds like serious patches. Each one of these two patches that are going to be applied under my eyes has 1,000 microdots of serum that's going to be infused into my skin. It's going to plump and nourish that skin so it looks much smoother. So let's open the package. It's hardback packaging, so you could use this in your luggage or in your handbag and have it for, say, a long flight. Wouldn't that be great? And this is what we do. We're going to peel it off just like this. Now this is not one of those ooey gooey ones that we have seen. This is a substantial patch, so you can sleep in it overnight, or you can use it for as short a period of time as 2 hours. Let me tell you what's in every one of those 1,000 microdarts for each patch. And excuse me if I mispronounce some of these words, because they're scientific names and I'm not a scientist. But we have hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid binds water and collagen. So we all know that collagen is good for your skin and water is good for your skin because it's going to moisturize and plump up that skin. Then we have argireline, probably not pronounced correctly, but you'll be able to remember this because it also is known as Botox in a jar. And then there's amino acids, and they promote collagen, always a good thing. Then there's trehalose, and I may not be pronouncing that one correctly, but it's spelled Trehalose, and it protects the cells that produce collagen. So these are all good ingredients that we would all like to use to promote collagen and the plumping of the skin. And that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to plump up the skin. So now let's apply this patch under my eye. It is shaped like the trough of your eye underneath, and I am going to apply it toward the outside area because that's where I have the most problems. Now if you have problems here, move it around and get it exactly where you want it. But before you apply it, make sure you've removed all of your makeup, no oils or moisturizers at all, and make sure that the area is dry. And let's see, I'm going to make sure, because I'm under these lights and sometimes they get warm, and I am going to dry that off just a bit, and we're going to apply this right here. Now, okay, I can feel those little micro darts. It's not painful, but you can tell they're there. It is pushing that serum down into the skin. You can feel it. Now, if you have a fear of needles, don't worry about this, because this is not needles. This is just really pointy little darts. But I'm assuming that it makes it even better, because if you just apply something like a Band-Aid on your face, it's not going to push that serum down in your skin. And this is exciting stuff because I would love to find something at home that's going to help these areas, especially if you have an event you're going to, say you have a wedding or a dinner you're going to, and you want to really put on your best face. These are going to be my go-to under eye emergency patches. Look at this. I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to move this one right here, just a bit farther out of this, just a bit farther out. Now, yes, I am wearing makeup because I was out running errands today and I had several things to do, and I'm going to be home for a few hours this afternoon. So I thought this is the perfect time to do this. And then this evening, we're going out to dinner, and hey, I'm going to look refreshed. Yes, I can feel this. You can really feel it on the cheekbone area because, of course, you have something that is pressing against it from both sides. And look at this. It is sticking. I could see that that would work overnight, and I do plan to use these overnight. And they're one-time use, but, you know, I may use them a couple of hours today and put them back in this packaging, and then tonight use them again. What can it hurt? I don't think it would hurt anything, and then, you know, we get the full effect. So now we have some action going on here, and we're going to time this. We'll set a timer on it, and I'm going to go at least 2 hours on the eyes, and I may go longer because I have several things to do around the house, and once I get on the phone talking to anybody, it takes me forever to get off because I like to talk. So I am giving myself a spa treatment and chatting with friends. I have cleaned off the bottom half of my face because I'm going to use the Face Sculpting Mask. I've had this on for 2 hours and 15 minutes, and while I am using this Face Sculpting Mask, I'm just going to leave these on another 20 to 30 minutes because the packaging indicates to leave on for 20 or 30 minutes. These are designed in South Korea, which we know is one of the highly sought after skincare areas. I mean, they really come out with some great products that I've used in the past, and this seems to be another one we're going to find out in just a short period of time. The ingredients in the sculpting mask is water. That's a great first ingredient. Water, algae, which is seaweed, and algae extract. And then a few other ingredients that I really can't pronounce. Well, glycerin. We all know glycerins are great for your skin. And so let's apply this and get it started. And this comes off of the packaging. And we're going to apply it to the bottom half of our face like any other face mask. And if you're at home, why not? Just don't, you may not want to answer the door. I have a mirror here, so that's what I'm looking at. Now then, what do we think? We're going to set the timer on this for 20 minutes. Starting. So we're going to let this product do its magic and be right back. Okay, we have gone actually 25 minutes, they say 20 to 30 minutes, and let's see if we can tell a difference and get that nice tight jawline and nice smooth under the chin look. So here we go. Take this off. And you know, this is left a little mark there where it was tight. I might have had it pulled a little bit tight there, but this is perfect for plumping up those little laugh lines here, or if you have marionette lines, great for that. Wow. And you know, I think next time I will probably leave it on just a bit longer. Maybe watch television. Now, I did not overlap this one with this one because I didn't want to ruin the results of the under eye. And Deepology has given us a discount code, so be sure and use that when you order these products. So this is what you're looking for, a more defined jawline, and anything that's going to help the chin, under chin and on the neck area. Ooh, I wonder if you can put this on your neck. I'm going to find out. And now let's remove the micro dart patches and check under our eyes. Now I'm pulling this and you can see it's pulling my skin just a bit, but hold the skin down so you don't do any damage. And look at this. Wow, you can see where the patch was, but after a few minutes, I imagine that's going to be gone. What's a little line like that to remove those wrinkles? I don't care if I have a tiny little indentation from this product. You can see exactly where that patch of micro dots was. And so that has really infused this down into the skin. Now, these are processed using a cold press process in manufacturing to keep them as fresh as possible from the time they put them in the packaging till you apply them to your eyes. So you are not going to receive products that aren't effective. I am loving the moisture of my skin. This is wonderful. And if you've watched me for any length of time, you know that I just crave any products that have moisture in them. And I think I've found some more for us, and especially during the winter seasons coming up. Oh my gosh, this is the perfect solution. Cold, non-humid day, when you don't have any humidity in the air, the cold, crisp air just drying your skin out, this is the answer. Love, love, love. So I suggest you give it a try. What can it hurt to look a little more perfect? Well, this has been a fun spa day at home, and I'm so glad you were here to enjoy it with me. Don't forget to use your discount code when you order the products, and don't forget to apply the patches and the mask on clean, dry skin. And don't forget, you can follow me on Instagram.